Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lake County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, northern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, northern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 10:30 p.m. At 9:20 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from McCullum Lake to Gilbert's to near Sycamore, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Elgin, Hoffman Estates, Bartlett, Streamwood, Algonquin, Round Lake Beach, Lake Zurich, Round Lake, Wakonda, and Fox Lake around 9:35 p.m. Arlington Heights, Schaumburg, Palatine, Hanover Park, Gurnee, Mundelein, West Chicago, Vernon Hills, Grays Lake, and Libertyville around 9:40 p.m. Waukegan, Mount Prospect, Buffalo Grove, Carroll Stream, Wheeling, Elk Grove Village, St. Charles, North Chicago, Lake Forest, and Roselle around 9:45 p.m. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. Prepare immediately for damaging winds and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight for northeastern Illinois. The National